Hello guys and welcome to this channel. Do you like what you just see now? Do you know you can create memes by yourself? Okay, without much ado, let me walk you through creating your own memes using your own characters. So let's go to Google and type in Digen AI. Let's click on this Digen AI. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are here, Digen AI. Hold on. So you click on this one, Digen AI free AI video generator. So here we are. You go to create. Click on create. So it has taken us to this page. In some cases, it may ask you to create an account. If it does, create an account all the same. But it didn't ask us in this case. So it just brought us to this page. Now we want to create because we clicked on create. So what we need to provide our image that we want to transform into a meme. So we go here, and can you see that arrow? It's requesting you to upload a character or an image. Okay, so let's click on it, which will take you to your device folder to pick the picture that you want to use. So guys, I'm here in my folder section of my device, so I'm scouting around now to see which image I want to use. So I click on this image and I go to open, and it uploads that image to this section for me. So we have to wait for it to bring up the image that we clicked on. So it's still uploading. As you can see, this circle moving. So you wait until, okay, here we are. Here's our picture. So guys, the next thing we need to do is to prompt Digen AI on how we want our image to make the gestures that we want it to make. So let's scroll down. Okay. So guys, here we have, hold on. So as you can see here, it says video prompt. Here it says video prompt. So here is where we will type in the kind of gestures that we want this our image to transform into. Okay, so let's clear this text that is here. Let's delete what is here and type in what we want to type. Okay, now let's type in, let's say, make this image. Make this image nod its head, comma, turn head left to right, open and close eyes, comma, with A big smile, guys. So that's what we've typed here. It's quite tiny. So whenever you see that red line, that means there's a spelling mistake. So you right click on it and let's see what we need to change. Or it will give us, okay. Okay, so I think it's head hunt. No, what's head hunt? I don't know what that is. Oh, head turn. Head hunt. No, okay. No, no, I don't want that. Let me go there. Oh, I wish this thing will be a bit bold. Okay. Okay, let's just clear. Okay, let's just leave that as it is. Because it's not, it's so tiny. So anyway, what I wanted it to do is head turn from left to right. Let me try it again. Right click, head hunt. No, what I put was head turn. Okay. No, head hunt. What's head hunt? Okay, hold on. Let me click out. Let me go back here. Oh, God, this is so tiny. Head. Let me remove the hunt. Head turn is what I put. Okay, head, head. Okay, let me clear it altogether. Okay, so that prompt, anyway, you type in whatever you want it to do. So in this case, it's so tiny I can't even read it. It's so muddled up. But anyway, so with a prompt, whatever Diagon I will make of that prompt, it will bring it out for us. So let's now scroll down to now generate. So we scroll down to here. As you can see, it says here generate video. So as soon as we have done typing in whatever I want to type here, we now click on generate. So let's click on it, guys, and let's see what it will bring out for us. So that one will be rolling, implying that it's working on it. So as you can see, this little rolling here, it's showing us that it's in the process of making it. So we gotta wait for as long as it will take for our video to be converted to making gestures. So sometimes you might have to wait long depending on the network speed. So let's wait and see. So guys, it's as simple as that. But in another video, we would also explore other things that Digen AI can do for us. So voila, our video is ready. Let's play it and see what Digen has done to this our. Oh my God, it's not ready yet. It's still rolling again. Okay, guys, I have to come back. Okay, guys, here we are. Okay, you know what happened here? It only picked where I said give it a big smile. But where I put turn head left to right, I missed some stuff. So I deleted that. So here you are. It has given us a big smile because I put it in the prompt. Oh wow, this is wonderful. So guys, with Digen AI, you can create your own meme. So when you're making your video, you don't have to run to get free meme somewhere. You can have a whole load of memes created by yourself. Guys, please comment below what you think. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video. I love this meme. Wow. Is it lovely? Handsome looking guy? What a beautiful smile. Oh, it's amazing. Bye for now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.